Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got an Olympia SM-3 on the bench. Working everything on it. It has been a disaster, but it's coming around. This video is about, even though it's typing and everything seems kind of fine, the tension is not very good. When it gets over here, it is moving, but it barely gets to the margin. There's very little tension right here. It's light all the way, but when it gets to the edge here, of course, it's just about gone. So what happens, I think, on these when that happens is well, at least on this one, somebody's probably gotten under here, messed with this little lever right here. If you flick this one way or the other here, it loosens the mainspring. That little dial just moved when I clicked this. It moved one less tension. Now this is just as easy to tension as it is to untension. It's one of the easiest. Well, there's some pretty easy ones. All I got to do here, my camera's kind of in the way here. My screwdriver. So all I got to do is stick a screwdriver in here, get an angle on this thing, and turn it the way it should tighten. So counterclockwise here, and you just got to move it one click. You'll see this arm move one click. You got to make sure you get enough clearance here. So one click. Oh, there it goes. One click. And you just do that until you get to the tension that you desire. And I think sometimes these levers, I guess, can probably stick one way or the other. And the camera's in my way, so it's going kind of slow. Come on. Just keep on clicking. One click. One click, one click. So I'm going to probably tighten this up about 2 turns. I think it was pretty weak, and plus my little demonstration, I probably loosened it a little more. So that is the procedure. It's super cool. Those Germans really know how to design a machine. This is also got some pretty cool features, like, so that's what you keep on doing if it's loose. I might go a little further, but this also has cool features up here on the bottom of the keytops. These are all little shock absorbers on every keytop. See this movement? That little movement there. Oh, it's hard to see. Shaking the camera here. But you'll see that movement of the keytop right there, that little movement right here. That's a shock absorber on each keytop here. It's crazy. Also, a trick on these, and I have a video for that, is these have very heavy shift. You know, it's hard to shift these. It's very heavy. You can adjust that tension and lighten that touch up with these springs on each side. There's screws and adjustments, and just run that screw up. That tightens that spring. That makes the action of the shift easier. So that would make this action better. Get these type bars down. Okay, well, that was the video. It was mainly on the mainspring. This also is rubbing, so it also needs these bushings, body bushings under here. So this machine needs everything. The type segment was sticking down here, so if you don't know already, also with these, this lid will snap right off. Just pry it up. It just has these little pins that go in here. Very simple. Yeah, so the type bars were all sticking. That's all resolved too. So yeah, that's already feeling better here. Good deal. All right. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.